Okay, Neeraj, you can start.
So I wrote it as Ajay was an athlete. He played basketball. Who wanted to climb the Nanda Devi peak in India. He also took professional mountaineering training for 2 years and also climbed medium level peaks in the meantime. Once on a trip to the Nanda Devi mountains, due to bad weather conditions, he slipped and lost his left leg. He was devastated as his life was ruined, but he never gave up. He wanted to take part in the Paralympics 2021 in the event of wheelchair basketball for which he was training in the side. He worked hard, took intense training and medical care. He got guidance from his coach and made use of the government schemes also. Hence, his hard work of 3 years paid off when he finally took part in the Paralympics.
Okay, so see, everything is correct, but in the picture you have added one additional problem. That is, you have made him an disabled person. So everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't add that he got his leg amputated or rest. Keep it like the same. He got coaching, he got training, he worked hard, and he even went to Paralympics. He represented India and made us proud. Add everything, but don't create or bring extra problem. Okay, because here in the picture he seems okay. So why to take him in a negative way? So अगर आपको दिखाई दे कि a person is injured or if a person is in wheelchair, तब ये story best होता मतलब the way you narrated, but don't bring extra problem. That's what I understand.
Okay.
Rest is okay.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, anyone? Ankita, Mohanty, what was your story?
Yes, Akshay was a tourist guide in Jammu. He was very fond of socializing with new people and often was known for winning hearts of tourists by being close to them. Like, okay, so one time a family visited him, and while returning to the hotel, there was a heavy hailstone rain. So he took them to his house, which was nearby. Though his house was small, he tried to arrange place for everyone to adjust and sleep. And he also cooked good food for them. He shared his experiences in the mountains and also listened to theirs. They had a very good time. And the next day, they returned safely to their hotel. They thanked Akshay for the good time that he arranged for them. Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, it was a good story you made around tourism, right? He's a tourist guide.
Yes.
Okay. So everything is okay. You can add more actions like he instead of making him a tourist guide, you can also add that he saw that his place can be made turned into a very good tourist spot. So he started thinking of new ideas how to bring his sport to the interest of the nation. Otherwise he was a tourist guide, he had the family, it's okay, it's a normal story, but in order to in order to give him a better responsibility, you can say that he did tourism management. Okay, masters in tourism management. Then he saw that this place is such a beautiful place and it can be turned into a tourist spot. It will also enhance the economy of that place, and it will provide new opportunities to the locals also. The locals will get engaged, they can earn a lot of money from that place. So like you can also make a story around the same, it will look more like creative and understood. So
Yes. Okay. Okay.
you can also add your story into that, also add this part also.
Okay. Okay. I will improve my story. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then who was there? I think Sangeeta. Yeah, you can narrate your story.
Okay. So I wrote a story like Vedansh was a software engineer in an IT firm in Jodhpur. He was very fond of traveling, so he decided to go Ladakh in a bike ride. As he was a die-hard fan of bikes, he talked to some of his friends and asked them to go with him. He booked the hotel there, did all the basic preparation, ready his bike, did all his packing, and started his journey. He took halt at many places and finally reached to Ladakh. He visited Hamish National Park and the highest post office there, and posted a letter to his parents as well from there. Took pictures and enjoyed a lot, and visited many places nearby, and came back after 1 week.
Okay, okay, fine. So, you made the story around the bike only, but here in the picture, it seems that the person is walking. Everything is fine. You can say that the thing that you mentioned, you can say that he went for a trek. No, instead of the bike, you can say that he went for a trek to that place, and then he also engaged a lot of new youths into his trekking campaign in order to spread awareness. Okay, also they completed this many places. Okay, and he started his you can also add that he started his trekking from this place to that, engaged a lot of youths, a lot of person joined his campaign, and everything is okay, but the thing is, no, the person is walking, no, that's why I'm saying ki, if a
Yeah, yeah.
person, that's why. Otherwise, it's okay. Just replace that thing. You can make a simple trekking expedition.
Yeah, sure, sure. I will add that.
Okay. Okay. Then I think just number 13.
So I wrote a story. Anil, 22, working as a mountaineering trekker, also a chief of NSS group, walking through the mountain, thinking about an idea to organize a trekking camp for his college. As many of the students don't know about it, so he organized the pamphlets, flyovers, and FB and Insta for banner, and put banners in his college to take student participate in that. And he himself managed the advising part and tell them positive points about tracking that help their mind build corporate nature with each other and socializing with each other, and by that he helped the students.
Yeah, it's a normal, yeah, good story. Yeah, no changes need to be made. It's a good story. Okay, then 16.
Okay, my story is Rohan was a native of Uttarakhand, and since childhood he was very well aware of the climatic and geographical conditions of the hill and mountain areas. And currently he was working in Indian Army and was on a leave, and he visited his native village, which is in Uttarakhand. And when he was just going to field and just having a walk, he saw a group of students who were crossing a river to go to school. Then he remembered his days, that how he used to struggle to go to school, just because there was no school on this side of the river. So he took action by writing a letter to the sarpanch of the village and the district collector, and his application was answered, and his funds were granted for the opening of school. On this side, he encouraged and informed everyone about the new school and approached teachers to volunteer to teach in this school. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, ठीक है. So, okay, your story is good. Instead of writing a letter, what we can do now, you can also, if he lives in a village area, you can also encourage the people of locals to make a temporary bridge for that point, for that moment. Okay, because हम लोग बनाते हैं ना bamboo का बनाते हैं ना temporary bridge, local से बनाते हैं. So yeah, he did that, and later he filed an application for so that ये infrastructure और बेहतर हो जाए. So you also have to take initiative of your own, and you have described the picture. थोड़ा सा इसको ना description को थोड़ा सा कम कर दो, मतलब because उसका भी एक time था, ये था, वो था, because it will kill your time if you go on describing this story. Just shift to the action part. The what he did, he saw that this was a problem. He encouraged the locals so that they can build a temporary bridge, and also at the same time wrote an application. Okay, and the other things that you mentioned.
That's why I left second story.
That's
Because
why it will kill, no, because yeah, only like 100 to 100 words you'll have to write. I see some pictures in the group, they're writing one page story. That in that way also, in that booklet, you'll have to write 2 story in 1 page. Okay, yeah, in a page of A4 size paper, you have to write 2 stories. So in that manner you can practice. You cannot describe that much. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyone left? I think Sangeeta done. Okay. Okay. I think we described the first picture. Let's move on to the second. What was the second picture?
It was in a hospital kind of scene where one dead body was there and
This
two
one?
Dead
other
body.
standing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Neeraj, you can start.
So Ajay works in an MNC. Once he visited the private hospital for his mother's regular checkup. There he saw a family weeping over a dead body. He also noticed that the other family members were confronting the officials present over there. He went there and urged them not to fight, calm the environment. On inquiry, he got to know that the man was given wrong injection and he passed away due to that. They belonged to a poor family and couldn't do much as the hospital management wasn't cooperating with them. Ajay reported this issue to the police, collected all the medical proofs and pictures. He also mailed this to the medical officer and requested him to raid the hospital. Finally, the medical officer took the action and gave the family justice and also have given them 25 lakhs by the government. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. ठीक है. Okay. Next, Ankita Mohanty.
Pranav was a student. One day, while he was at the hospital with a friend, he saw a family crying badly near a dead body. Upon inquiring, he got to know that it was an accident of drink and drive. Pranav felt disturbed as it was a common issue. He, being the cultural head at college, decided to hold a campaign on alcohol abuse and aware students. He organized his team, made proper agenda, organized competitions like poster making, skit, debate, and essay competitions where students would be aware about this thing. He was able to spread awareness among the students and also among other people in the society about the ill effects of alcohol consumption and curb it. That's all.
Okay. ठीक है sir. Okay. Good. Okay. The next, Sangeeta.
Okay, so I wrote a story like Danish was a project engineer in PWD department in Jodhpur. One day while coming back from his office, he saw that one biker hit an old man. He rushed to the spot, take the man to the nearest hospital in his car, but as he was severely injured, he lost his life in the hospital. Doctors informed him about the same, so he called his family members and after that he also consoled them and help them to file an FIR and help the police to caught the culprit because he saw the bike and he noted his that number. He with help of police saw all the camera footage, collected all the evidence and helped the family as well.
Okay. ठीक है. Then 13.
Ma'am, I don't write it because I don't get the idea about that.
Now you got the idea from the others, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am. Yes,
they
ma'am.
wrote. Okay. You will write it today.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 16.
I also was not able to write.
Yeah, it's okay. You can also write. There is also one theme. No, you can write one story around organ donation also. Okay. Because people used to donate organs, no, after they die. People used to book make prior engagements that after I will die, my organs will get donated to this place. Also, you know what? Now the medical colleges, they are very like there is a crisis of dead bodies. Like the medical students, they have to borrow the dead bodies from one hospital to another because there is a lack of this kind of dead bodies. So what people do, you will find that there is one, you just have to like go to the hospital and have to fill one application that I want to donate my body to the medical hospital after I die. Then this body can be used for the benefit of the medical students. You can also write one theme around this story also. Okay. So two themes,
Okay.
like one organ donation and this donating the body. Okay. So I think we are done. Okay, this picture and rest. You all are getting idea, na? Okay, how they are coming up with stories. You can also work on these pictures. Okay. So next, what was the next picture?
It was the police one.
This one. Okay. Okay, Neeraj, you can start.
Ajay and his wife Anita were professional boxers who also know sports like judo and karate. Looking at the increasing rapes and domestic violence in the society, Ajay wanted to help women by teaching them self-defense. He wanted to do this in a big way, so he contacted his family friend who was a CI of the region. He told that he wanted to teach women self-defense and requested them to promote this issue. Then Ajay and Sita uploaded this on social media to get more awareness. Soon, most of the women joined at the classes, and the classes started. They offered classes at a very affordable rate and also at flexible timings. Soon, all the women in the area were well equipped with the confidence to fight in tough situations.
Okay, ठीक है. Ankita?
Ajay was a police officer in Sadar Gaon. One day, some people from the nearby village approached him with a complaint regarding wild animals entering their fields and destructing their produce. As it was illegal to kill animals, they had no other way. So Ajay filed their complaint, assured to assist, informed the wildlife authorities to capture the animal. After this was done, he also suggested the villagers to set up stronger fences and take more precautions to prevent such happenings in future, like using repellents for the animals. The villagers followed and the problem was solved.
Okay, good. फिर Sangeeta.
Okay, so I wrote a story like Vihar was a teacher in a private school in Delhi. He worked there along with his wife. One day, while coming back from the school, they were going to their home, and on the way, one man come near to their bike and snatch his wife's chain. He ran behind him, but he didn't. He was not able to catch him. After that, they went to the nearby police and filed an FIR and gave them all the evidence about the person's identification and the bike number and helped them to identify the person. They caught him within 24 hours along with his gang and get their chain back. Thank you.
Yeah, ठीक है. Like you have to add more. Like he simply saw that his wife's chain was snatched. He went to the police and filed a report. So this is a normal story, right?
Yes.
So like you missed something. I feel that something is missing in the picture, in the action part. Okay.
Yeah.
So try to recollect the picture and again add some more actions. Okay, how he can
Yeah,
at least try to add some more actions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now 13.
Shreya, age of 24, work as a social activist and also working for an NGO or Women Empowerment Program. So she goes with his teammates to the police station and find to help the women. So she organized a meeting where they can address as many women to give advices and ideas that have been provided by the government, such as helpline number 192 and Kanya Suraksha Seva, that will help them whenever they need. By doing this, Shreya found many women participate. So she decided to start this meeting weekends so it helps women.
Okay, ठीक है, पर the story is not touching this picture. Like they you have seen that they went to the police. So what do you think? Why they went to the police according to the story? Like
So
like
they want to organize a camp type for women empowerment.
so they are going to the police for what? Like for their permission or?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, like your story is revolving around the picture but not touching the picture. Okay. Like you just added only one particular scene of this picture and rest you you got diverted from the picture. So
Okay.
just stick to the picture, like make story around this only. Like you have heard how Neeraj and Ankita made, right? So in that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Then 16.
Okay, Maya was on her way to market. Suddenly, 2-3 goons surrounded her and asked for ransom and started mistreating her. Suresh, who was Maya's neighbor, was coming through the way, and on seeing Suresh coming, the goons ran off. Suresh asked Maya what happened, but Maya was frightened and chose not to tell anything to Suresh. Suresh understood Maya's situation, and later he talked to Maya and tried to figure out what happened. And she encouraged Maya that her silence will help the goons to do such crimes more. So he also told her that let's go to a police station and we'll file a complaint. On her suggestion, Maya went to police station with him, and they filed a complaint against the goons and get them arrested. Maya was encouraged and felt confident. She also encouraged other girls about reporting an act when it happens.
Okay. So you added actions in the last part. You described more the picture. Okay. The first part you have only described कि ये हुआ ये हुआ. फिर वो last पे वो गई. फिर she encouraged others. ठीक है. So हाँ.
The action part was less.
Yes, the action, we have added action in the last part. Action should come in the after first two lines. So you have added actions in the last two lines of your story, and you have described the picture more. Okay. So I find Ankita Mohanty's story. She added a lot of actions. So you can refer to her story also. Yeah, I'm not talking about the theme, but the action that how she added. That one. Okay. Okay. We'll discuss the last one picture. What was the last? Then the next fourth picture.
The person standing in front of mirror.
Okay. This one. Okay. Neeraj, you can start.
Ajay was a student in MBA. He was very weak in public speaking. He joined many courses in online and offline, but it didn't help him to improve his confidence. He took lots of guidance from his teachers and started practicing hard. There was a project presentation coming up, and he was ordered to deliver a speech in front of the whole meeting. He was tense, but started to work on this regularly. What really helped him was a practice in front of the mirror. He regularly spent hours every day delivering a speech to himself in the front of the mirror. This really helped him speak confidently. He also practiced with his friends to improve the eye contact. Soon, on the project day, he performed to his best ability and successfully completed it. Thank you.
Okay. ठीक है. But the thing is, he knows that he is weak in his communication skill, and he is also doing his MBA or something. If you know that you are weak in a particular thing, then why you are waiting till the time you reach MBA? You should have worked upon it beforehand. So the rest thing is okay. Instead of saying he lacked the communication skill part, you can say that in order to give his best, he started practicing in front of the mirror. He started taking ideas from his seniors or from teachers. He planned to deliver his presentation. He researched on that topic. He wrote a lot of notes. Okay, he practiced for like two times in front of the mirror. Rest the other things that you have added is all good, but don't say ki he was waiting for that time to improve. Like after getting into MBA, he is thinking, oh, I should work upon this. So this is the bad thing. I come across a lot of stories where there is one person, he is running. So what people write, the person got recommended, and he started, but he got a medical. He was temporarily rejected from the medicals. So he is working hard to get into the medical. So that is a very wrong thing. If he knows that he is overweight, he should have worked upon it beforehand. Then why we are waiting? So this is the negative thing. Okay, Neeraj. So don't add this
Okay.
part. Rest, add everything that you added. The theme is good. Okay. So okay, Ankita Mohanty, you can start.
Raj was a college student in Lucknow. He was from a small village and was not very fluent in English speaking. He wanted to improve his communication and public speaking skills. So he started reading English newspapers and books, writing pieces on certain topics every day, revising them, and practicing in front of the mirror. He also started talking with his friends and teachers in English and was always open for feedback. He participated in several public speaking competitions, observed the performance of others, learned from their mistakes as well as his, and improved. Finally, he felt confident and fluent in speaking after a few months. Thank you.
Okay, good story. Then I think Sangeeta.
Yeah. So Ramesh is a student of BE final year of MBM Engineering College. He applied for a campus placement drive, and as he had good academic history, he got selected for the drive. So he bought the dress, prepared for his CV, and all other documents which is required for the interview. He dressed up well and went to college. Waited for his turn. He gave his interview and performed well in all other tasks as well. After one day, the result came, and he got selected for the company with a good package. Everyone was happy for his success.
Yeah, okay, ठीक है. But the preparation part, no, you can add one or two more actions. Otherwise, the story is okay, good. Like how he prepared, you can just add one or two actions.
Sure.
Okay, and 13.
Abhay, age of 21, studying in a BMS College of St. John's, also got an opportunity to get in SSB in Dehradun. As he was excited, so he decided to get practice. So he get the idea from the net and YouTube. What would be the things that can help him develop communication skills, and he developed a problem of public speaking, so he decided to overcome it by practicing in front of the mirror. He do it for daily 1 hour, and he improved at the end of the day. Finally, he appeared for the exam and successfully achieved the success.
Yeah, ठीक है. Okay. So, 16.
So Rakesh was a college student who was keen of public speaking but used to hesitate and avoid it. Once he was speaking in front of mirror at his house, his friend Neha saw and discovered Rakesh's interest. So she encouraged Rakesh to work on his talent, and she made many seniors to talk to Rakesh and encouraged him to work on his talent. And she also gave his name in various event of public speaking of annual function of the school. She also made Rakesh speak in various society events, which gave him the much needed push. Rakesh then realized his talent, and with school teachers, he started a campaign to encourage other students for public speaking.
Okay,
That's
ठीक
it.
है. Okay. So you have brought one character from outside. Then at the last, you give role to this person. Just remember that if you are bringing one outside character, if you are making her the hero, stick to her part only. Otherwise, if one picture, I think you will find that there is only one table. Okay, in that picture you have to bring outside character. But if it's visible in the picture, the character is clear. Try to make your story in that with that particular person only. Okay, if you being one outside character, it will seem that she's lacking confidence to go with the story. That's why she bought a character from outside. So the things you told, no, that this person can also do it by himself, right? Why, if he has interest, then he can also push himself to move out of the comfort zone. So the things you told, everything is good, but make him the real hero.
Okay.
Okay, so I'd request others also to work on these pictures. We discussed 4. We will discuss the rest after you all complete. Then that will be a good story. So in like tomorrow, we will discuss only in the stories that you have problem. Like the stories that you want to discuss, or you want to put in the PPT discussion. Like we have Tuesday, we have PPT, right? If you are finding it difficult to go with any of the pictures from today's site test, you can just tell Neeraj. He will put that picture for the discussion of that day. Then we will be having more ideas. Okay, and then we will be having a productive discussion. So let's quickly discuss some of the WATs. Let's discuss at least 20 or 15 WATs. So each of you will give sentences, two sentences each of you will give, okay? Starting from Neeraj.
Siblings make dreadful mess when alone. Corruption is a huge problem in India.
Corruption, so see, corruption is a huge problem in India. This is a fact. So what can be done to deal with corruption? Neeraj, what
We
can
can
be
write
done?
demonetization. We can write demonetization controls.
Yeah, you can replace that. Okay, you can also write strict laws prevent corruption. कुछ भी है ना लिख सकते हैं
Yeah.
ना. So modify this sentence. Okay. Then okay, Ankita Mohanty, you can start from deny and withdraw.
Denying challenges in life is cowardice.
Hmm?
Withdrawing from one's goals is cowardice.
Okay, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Then Sangeeta. Sangeeta.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Kind-hearted people help others. Person help others, and adventure increase strength and calm the mind.
Okay, ठीक है.
Different thoughts can be removed by talking.
Yeah, okay, ठीक है. Now 13. Treat.
Good treat appreciated by all.
Good. Treat. Good
Treat.
what? Any
Good treat.
okay, ठीक है, wait. This one, pleasure.
Pleasure.
Hmm?
I did not write about that.
It's okay, we'll move to Kanchan. We'll start from treat.
Okay, try treating everyone equally. Then
So
pleasure.
see, this here you have given suggestion, no? Try treating everyone equally.
Yes.
So we don't give suggestions, right?
Okay.
Try any better sentence.
Can we write? Can we modify this like always treat everyone equally?
This is also a suggestion, advice.
Okay.
Hmm.
So next word is pleasure. Spending quality time with family is pleasurable. Then
Okay.
stainless steel is preferable over normal steel. I couldn't get a proper sentence on steel, so I
Yeah, okay.
wrote.
Let's discuss these two words, treat and Sangeeta. Oh, sorry, treat and steel. So, who want like Venkat? If you do you wanna try this to give sentences for these two words?
Yeah.
So for treat and steal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the patient got his bill for his treatment in hospital.
This is a very normal sentence.
So a good leader treat every soldier equal.
Yeah, we can write that.
Okay.
For steel, anyone?
Steel bunkers can stay long lasting during war.
Yeah, we can add that. Okay. ठीक है. अभी models है ना?
Can you please repeat the sentence for steel?
Yeah, sure. Steel bunkers stay long lasting during war.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Now, okay, let's again go to Neeraj.
Having a role model in life is necessary.
Okay.
With risk comes reward.
Ankita.
Correct posture while sitting prevents backache.
What correct?
Correct. I think it was posture. No, I think it was the word was correct, right? So it was correct posture while sitting prevents backache.
Okay.
And the next one was giving one's best leads to no regrets in future.
Okay. Yeah. This one also, Ankita. 15.
15. Okay. Carefulness leads to less trouble. This much.
Okay. Now moving to Sangeeta.
Yeah. So 16 now.
Yeah, 16.
giving best in every giving best in everything gives the ultimate happiness, and games relax the mind.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay, stop. 13.
Good leader always alerted towards its nation.
ठीक है, okay.
And
19.
on saving Mother Nature, property is done by all.
No, इसको improve करना होगा. Anyone? 16 for alert and property.
For property, I wrote a fact. Right to property is not a fundamental right.
Yeah, it's okay if
And-
you write one fact.
And for
Ah.
alert, I wrote alertness helps in proper planning.
Yeah, it's okay. So let's do the Sheldon. Who is left? Like Neeraj, do the last word for today. Sheldon.
Sorry to interrupt you, but please everyone provide a good sentence for property.
Okay. Neeraj, you can what you wrote for this word property?
Property has to be taken care of. I wrote a normal sentence.
Yeah, give advice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone? Ankita?
Scribbling on